everyone. Welcome to our Forever Matters episode of January. My name is Gibran Villa and I'm the country sales manager here at Mexico. Bienvenidos, familia Forever. In 2026, our journey continues. This year, we are kicking off the year here in Mexico, where we have already of more than 20 branches, more than 20,000 of FBOs, and more than 51 employees. As we welcome the new year, we also welcome to the new leaders that we already have in Forever. Please join me to welcome James Cheffin, Vice President of Global Supply, Philip Deconis, Vice President of Asia, Hakim Buddha, Country Sales Manager UAE, Charmaine Leon, Country Sales Manager Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Blondiu Allah, Sales Marketing Manager Cote d'Ivoire, MS Darabat, Country Sales Director Hungary, Anthony Carello, Country Sales Manager of Morocco. We are very excited of what we have here in Forever for 2026, so stay tuned. Speaking of growth, we have a great leader here in Mexico, Carlos Arcadia, who is working hard every single day. Take a look and take some notes to learn some great tips and lessons that he's going to be sharing with you.
Hola familia Forever, soy Carlos Arcadia Vargas, gerente diamante de México. Desde hace más de 35 años consumo y estoy enamorado de los productos de Forever y de ahí es donde inicia mi negocio. Al compartir los productos, que la gente conozca la calidad de los productos, he empezado a hacer grupos y para que estos grupos crezcan, yo les doy un tip, que siempre tengan mucha comunicación con ellos, que los escuchen y que ustedes los vayan guiando de una forma básica. Hay que hacer este negocio de la forma más básica que se pueda. Muchas gracias.
Well, I hope you can see and feel how Carlos is having a great success here in Mexico with great group trainings, and the training is fundamental for their growth. Speaking of inspirational people, let's meet our newest gem managers. Take it away, Nick.
And now it's time to recognize our brand new Sapphire managers for this month. And first up, from Burkina Faso, congratulations to Musa Wedraogo. And next up from Ghana, Eric Japong. And from Germany, congratulations to Anke Engel. Our next Sapphire manager is from Brazil, Edmilson Santos de Souza. Now moving over to Turkey, it's Zehra Ilter. And another new Sapphire manager from Turkey, Yudagul Kilinç. Next from Saudi Arabia is Adwa Adel Wahab. And moving down to South Africa, it's Nobile and Thokozani Mubuyazi. We now have 3 Sapphire managers from Japan. Congratulations to Atsumi Iwasaki, Manami Suzuki, and Michi Hanita. And here we go with brand new diamond sapphires for this new year. Congratulations to Zenkosi Zoksana from South Africa. Zenkosi is grateful for health, growth, global travel to over 20 countries, and the freedom to be both an independent woman and a devoted mom. She says, "Thank you forever for the freedom to go after what matters most to me." Our next new Diamond Sapphire manager is from Iraq. Congratulations to Walid Khalid Khalaf. Walid started his Forever journey in 2018 and has a strong sense of commitment and teamwork built on love and cooperation. He focuses on steady growth and leadership while building their business with Forever Bright Tooth Gel and Aloe Ever Shield. Our next Diamond Sapphire manager is from the UAE. Congratulations to Mohammed Ali Malakutikar. Mohammed Ali joined Forever in 2017 and have grown into one of the UAE's standout leaders through consistency, vision, and strong business building. We'll be seeing them again very soon at the Global Rally in Dubai, continuing to inspire others on an even bigger stage. Also from the UAE, congratulations to Behrooz Esmaili. Behrooz joined Forever in February 2012, showing remarkable consistency and a never-give-up mindset throughout their journey. Based in the UAE, we'll be seeing them again soon also at the Global Rally in Dubai as they continue to move forward with purpose and determination. Now it's time to recognize our brand new Diamond Manager from Japan. Congratulations to Tomohiro Hasigawa. Tomohiro has achieved the dizzy heights of Diamond Manager and is a Level Up 26 qualifier, so she will be attending the Dominican Republic trip and continuing her journey of growth and recognition. And incredibly, this month we have two brand new double diamond managers. First up from Japan, it's Shiho Yagami. Shiho joined Forever in 2020 and was immediately drawn to the exceptional quality of the products. And she lives by the motto, do your best and wait for your destiny. Driven by gratitude, passion, and a love for her family, friends, and Forever team, she leads with energy and heart, listens to her inner voice, and inspires others to grow as they pursue their own goals. Congratulations, Shiho! And next, it's brand new double diamond manager from Turkey. It's Deheya Ahmad Ataya. Deheya has deep gratitude for the company's vision and its clear ethical path for growth. He embraces Forever as a complete system built on product excellence and strong principles. He sees Double Diamond Manager as a milestone rather than a final destination, and Deheya moves forward with discipline and belief in long-term value, now focused on achieving Triple Diamond and earning a seat at the GLT table year after year. Congratulations, Deheya!
Thank you, Nick. Congratulations to everyone who is achieving their goals. Now, you are joining me to the Mexico corporate offices, and behind me, there is the IT guys and also the operations where the magic happens behind the scenes when we are building incentives. We know that so many of you are working hard to build your business. This brings us to one of our most talked about segments among FBOs. Let's take a look at the top 10 list of December. These FBOs are also working hard to share their Forever opportunity and our amazing products. Let's give them a well-deserved round of applause. Congratulations to all top 10 achievers. You are doing amazing. Now, I'm here in our Guadalajara branch with some of my favorite products. This is my favorite, by the way. And these are the best sellers in Mexico in 2025. So now, let's turn to Holly to tell us a little bit more about the Forever Right Tooth Health.
Hello, Forever family. Taking care of your oral health is just as important as taking your daily supplements. And we have an amazing product that helps you take care of your oral microbiome. Forever Bright Tooth Gel is the best way to start by brushing your teeth both morning and night. This powerful product contains aloe vera and bee propolis with a fresh and natural peppermint extract designed to leave your breath smelling fresher longer and to keep those pearly whites shining brightly. Let's celebrate the top sellers of this remarkable tooth gel.
Thank you, Holly. We love to learn about the products and the science behind them. We know Forever products are the core of Forever. And now it's time to talk a little bit more about the digital tools that you have to expand and grow your business.
Thanks, Gilbran. Let's start 2026 with an FLP 360 tip showing everyone how the platform can be used to post fresh content to their social media channels. To use this feature, navigate to the Marketing Tools menu and select Content Stream. Here, you can browse all the latest material shared by your country office on social media platforms. Posts will be ordered by the date and time they were published, so you'll always find the most recent content at the top of your feed. In just a couple of clicks, you can create shareable links for any of the images or articles displayed in the feed. Posts can also be added to your favorites list, so you can easily find them again in the future. Social posts can also be shared using the social media scheduler. The social queue tab shows you all the posts that you marked as favorites. Reminders to post each item will be delivered to your mobile device in the order that the posts are listed on this screen. Before you begin receiving the reminders to post, you will first need to configure your posting schedule. Start by choosing the days and times you want to post and click Add Schedule. FLP 360 will send you reminders to share these materials you've added to your social queue. This may feel like an extra step, but it provides an extra layer of security by giving you one final chance to make changes if needed, such as for compliance reasons, and before anything is shared across your social media. We hope you find this useful when managing your FLP 360 account. Thanks for your time, and sending it back to you, Gilbran.
Thank you, Ryan. We hope everyone is taking advantage of all that FLP 360 has to offer for you and your business. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Forever Matters. Stay focused to see where we are going to be landing the next month. Until then, stay focused on what matters most to you.